Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we'll talk about how to keep houseplants healthy. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to keep houseplants healthy, so stick around for that. First, choose the correct soil. The soil requirements vary among plants, therefore to meet your houseplant specific requirements, modify the standard soil mixture. For instance, tropical plants need soil with good drainage and moisture retention. Adding sand to the soil mixture improves drainage while preserving its moisture retention capabilities. Other additives include perlite and orchid bark. Provide sufficient light. Light requirements are broadly categorized into low, moderate, and bright. Low light plants do well in rooms with north-facing windows, while plants requiring bright and indirect light do well in rooms with south-facing windows. Plants that need bright light are best placed in a well-lit room or directly in front of a window. If your house doesn't get natural light, invest in LEDs. Water when necessary. Water your plants as needed to prevent wilting. If you're unsure whether your plants need watering, check the soil's top inch with your fingers. If it's dry, slowly add room temperature water until the soil is thoroughly saturated and excess water drains from the pot's holes. Be careful not to splash the leaves to prevent spotting. Monitor the humidity. Plants require different humidity levels. For instance, tropical plants need about 40%, which may be hard to achieve outside a steamy bathroom. Nevertheless, you can improve the humidity by misting your plants every morning or using a humidifier. Fertilize periodically. Fertilizing is best done in the spring and summer when your houseplant is actively growing. Avoid adding fertilizer in the winter and autumn since most plants are dormant and don't require the nutrients. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid overdoing it. Repot overgrown plants. To check if your plants are due for a repot, remove the pot and check if the roots circle around it. If they do, choose a pot that's a size larger than the old one. Moisten the potting mixture in a bowl, then add it to the new pot. Stop when it's half full. Remove your plant from its old pot and gently loosen the roots. Place the plant in the new pot and top up the potting mixture. Tamp without tightly packing it. Water your plant. Clean and prune your plant. Dust clogs your plant's pores, inhibiting its breathing. To fix this, gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth or sponge. Also, prune dead and yellow leaves at a 45-degree angle above the leaf node so water doesn't collect above the cut and cause rotting. Don't prune more than a third of the plant to prevent shock. Finally, control pests and diseases. Regularly check your houseplants for pests and isolate any infested plants. Use insecticidal soap on soft-bodied insects like spider mites and aphids. For bugs with wax coats like mealybugs, apply rubbing alcohol. So there you have it. These steps will help you keep houseplants healthy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.